Hey beauties, welcome back to my channel. Today it is going to be a makeup tutorial as promised, and I'm going to be using the the Ring the Alarm palette from Morphe and Jaclyn Hill. This is more of a summery palette. There's a lot of yellows and oranges and pinks and things like that, so I did want to use this palette before summer was officially over. So this is the palette that I used to create this look. I also used my Jaclyn Hill brush set. As you guys know, I really like these brushes. They are a tad expensive, but if you're looking for a good brush set, I think these are really good, and I do have a full review on them coming, as well as the Vault Collection. But I did want to get these tutorials out first before I did my final thoughts and the final review on the product. Before I jump into the video, I want to remind you all about my giveaway, free makeup, $100 worth of products from Beauty Bakery. If you have not entered already, I will link it up in a card so you can enter. It's free makeup, so you know, you might as well enter because you might win, and everyone loves to win, so you know, it is what it is. But if you like this video, remember to give it a thumbs up. I lost to my teeth. No, I don't. Give it a thumbs up and comment down below and tell me what else you guys want to see. And if you haven't already, make sure that you subscribe to my YouTube channel and turn on my post notifications so that you never miss another video ever again, and your life will be complete, because I upload new videos every day. So that's new content for you every single day. True story. But I'm gonna stop talking now and we're gonna get into this tutorial. Just so you know, in this tutorial I do already have my base done, so I just jump straight into the eyes. Yes, so if you would like to see how I got this look, then go ahead and keep on watching. Okay, so I'm gonna go in first with I'm gonna go first in with Rush, which is this color here, and it's like a cool orangey shade. So I'm going out with my and I'm gonna put this in the crease as a transition shade. I'm going out with my sorority sisters tonight. It's a little oh, that's cute. It's a little party that they do at my alma mater. It's like a little party every semester in like the little courtyard, and there's a DJ and there's food and dancing and games and stuff, and they do it every semester, and it's just really cool. And we go and we stroll and all that stuff. People love it. Like, they love to watch us stroll, and it's cool. I get to hang out with them because I don't really get to see them all that much, so when we get to hang out, it's really nice. This is a really pretty color. I really freaking like this color. And I used the JH30 for that transition color. So now I'm going to go in with Alert, which is this warmer orange color, and that's gonna go in my crease just to deepen it up. I really didn't know what kind of look I was going for. I just knew that I wanted to use another one of the Jaclyn Hill palettes, so I'm really just winging it at this point, but I think it's coming along nicely. This palette has like a lot of orange and yellows, which don't show up all that well on my skin because it's pretty similar to the color of my skin, but these are actually showing up kind of nice. So I'm gonna have to meditate tonight because I just want this to be a good night. I don't want there to be any problems or like I don't know. I just have a really kind of ominous feeling that something is gonna happen. Like there's gonna be a fight or like, I don't know. I just hope everything goes well. Because it would just be bad. And I wouldn't say that I don't like confrontation, but I try to avoid it as much as possible. But if it happens, I'm usually the first one in the middle of the circle. Like, that's my problem. I try to stay away from it. It follows me. Confrontation follows me, and I don't know why, but you know, it is what it is, I guess. So this is what we have so far. I really, really like it. I don't actually want for it to be like super like, I think I'm just gonna add like a lid color, like a sparkly lid color, and that be it. Ooh, you know what? I'm gonna use, okay, I know what I'm gonna do. I used the JH334 for this transition color. So to finish this off, I'm gonna go in with Bomb Ass. And this is a shimmery, kind of like red pink color. I'm just gonna put that all over my lid. Oh, that's pretty. That's nice. I am winging it out because I want my eye to be extended. So I'm gonna try and do this as best I can. Oh, that actually looks kind of cute. Oh, work it. So I'm so excited that people are actually entering my giveaway, because I was really scared that like no one was gonna enter, because like I don't know, maybe they don't like Beauty Bakery, or maybe I just like don't have enough subscribers so nobody knew about it. But I've actually gotten a few people that have entered, so I am so happy about that. And honestly, I can't wait to do more. Like, I love the idea of giving back to you guys for all your support, like following me, subscribing to my channel, watching my videos. Like, it really means a lot to me. Like, every subscriber I get is one step closer I come to being able to quit my job. So I'm so grateful, and I am really packing this on because first of all, it's a really pretty color, but also I really want to sparkle. So, whoo, these are so bright eyes. Oh, I got glitter in my eye. I got glitter in my eye. Oh God. Oh, Lord, that hurt. Oh, so I'm gonna go in with this little tiny brush, which is the JH38, and I'm gonna go back into Alert, which is that warmer orange color, and I'm just gonna blend out the edges of the shimmer shade, just so it's a little bit softer. This is not a blending brush, but I don't want to get too much color on the shimmer. I just want to blend it. Okie dokie. So now I'm gonna go in. What am I gonna go in with? I'm gonna take this brush, which is the JH37, and I'm gonna take Alert again, and I'm gonna go on Waterline. I want this to be really soft, which is why I'm using this gigantic brush. Just to put some color down there, and that's pretty much it. I don't want to put the shimmer shade down there just because I feel like it'll be a bit much. So now I'm going to take the JH39, and I'm going to go into the Armed and Gorgeous palette, and I'm going to get VIP, which is this shimmery shade here, and that's going to go on the inner corners of my eyeballs. And now I'm going to go put on some mascara and I will be right back. Okay guys, so this is the eyes. Well, these are the eyes. I have two of them, you know. I really like it. I think it's super pretty and I love pink. I love pink and I love sparkles, so guess on me. So now, y'all already know what we're gonna do. We're gonna contour and highlight because that's the best part. And I'm just going to be doing the same thing that I always do. Y'all know my Prolux palette. Taking the red shade that is clearly needing to be replaced. And I'm going to highlight now. So I want to be super extra tonight because why not? So first I'm going to take the middle color here on my cheekbones. Up to the eyebrow. And now I'm going to go over that because why not? With this lighter shade. And we are going to light the entire student union up, okay? Ooh. It's like I got a galaxy on my face. What the heck? Do y'all see the difference though? Like, so now that we've got our highlight on, now we're gonna do the lips. And I've been going back and forth about what lip that I want to wear, and I think I want to do red. So I am going to take this Maybelline Vivid Mac Liquid Color Sensational in Red Punch. And we're going to put that on the lips. For some reason, red just is so extra. It's so extra for no reason. And I'm here for it because I'm in the mood to be extra. You know, sometimes you just want to be extra. You just want to, I don't even know how to describe it, but you just want to be extra. That's how I feel right now, and I like this. It doesn't feel matte. Maybe I need to wait for it to dry, but this is totally not matte, which it's fine. It's fine. But yeah, so this is the face. I am dying for this highlight. These eyes are giving me life, so I'm dying and living at the same time. It makes sense when you don't think about it. So that is it for this video. What do I think about, what palette did I just use? Wait a minute. Ring the Alarm? Did I use Ring the Alarm? Ring the Alarm? Yeah. Okay, so the Ring the Alarm palette, I like the colors that I used. I only used 3. But as you can see, they blended really nicely. The shimmer went on pretty well. I did layer it a little bit, but I think that's just because, you know, just me being extra. But I do like this palette. This might actually be my favorite palette. I do like the Bling Boss palette, but I like how this one has like more summery colors, even though we're going into fall. I understand that, that's fine. But I'm still gonna wear summer colors in the fall, so it's fine. It is what it is. But yeah, so you guys, this is the face. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and comment down below what else you want to see. If you have not entered my giveaway yet, make sure you do that because it's free makeup, $100 worth of free makeup, so why wouldn't you enter my giveaway? And if you have not already, please make sure you subscribe to my channel and turn on my post notifications so that you never miss an upload, because I upload videos every single day. And thank you guys for watching, and I love you so much, and I will see you tomorrow in my next video. Bye.